Last week, we worked on rhyming. Does everyone remember that?
Yes.
Good. We're going to do a little review. Remember, words that rhyme have the same sound at the end of the word. Say the word toe.
Toe.
Good. Can anyone think of words that might rhyme with toe?
Bow.
Good. Anything else?
Go.
Good. How about so and low? Good. That's right. Awesome. Let's try one more word. Say the word log.
Log.
Good. Can anyone think of anything that rhymes with log?
Frog.
Good. Anything else?
Dog.
Good. One more.
Fog.
Good job. All right, I think we're ready to move on to our next lesson. All right, we're going to learn how to segment words. Can you say segment?
Segment.
Good. Segmenting a word just means to pull it apart. It just means to pull it apart. All right, let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Segmenting a word just means to pull it apart. Good job. When I point to you, I want you to say the word cat. Say cat.
Cat.
Good. Now put your hand up like this in a fist. Good job. We're going to sound out the word cat. K, k, at. Good job. Now, can anyone tell me what the first sound is? K. Second sound? Good.
T.
Good job. All right. So how many fingers do we have up?
3.
3. All right. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to draw 3 boxes. Can anyone guess why I'm drawing 3 boxes?
No.
No? All right. Well, we held up 3 fingers. That's because cat has 3 sounds in it, right? Okay, so we drew our 3 boxes. Now I'm going to take out my foam squares right here. And we're going to sound out the word cat again. But this time when we sound it out, we're going to pull a foam square down into each box for each sound. Okay? So let's do it together. K-a-t. Good. Cat. All right. Let's do the word bat. B-a-t. Bat. All right. Let's do the word jog. Let's sound it out on our hand. J-a-g. Good. All right. Now, j-a-g. Good job. Jog. All right. Now, I am going to give you a piece of paper and foam squares, and we are going to do a few words together, and you're going to draw your boxes this time. So let's try the word play. Let's sound it out with our fingers. P-l-a. Good. So how many sounds in the word play?
3.
Good. So you'll draw your 3 boxes. Good job. All right, now we're going to sound out the word play again, and we're going to put each sound in a different box, okay? So, L-A. All right, play. Now, move your foam squares back up to the top. Good. Now let's do the word stop. All right, let's sound it out with our hands. Stop. Ooh, so this time we have how many?
4.
4. So let's add a box. Good job. All right, so we're going to sound it out again. Start with your first sound. Stop. Good job. Move your foam squares back up to the top. Good. We're going to do the word glad this time. So put your hands up. We're going to sound it out. G-l-a-d. How many sounds?
4.
4. So we're going to use 4 foam squares and 4 boxes. Pull down the first sound. G-l-a-d. And what word do we have?
Glad.
Good job. All right. Now, since you are so good at that, we're going to move on to something else. We're going to learn how to blend words. I'm going to tell you what this means, and then I want you to repeat after me. So turn your listening ears on, because remember, the students that I hear are the students that are learning. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Blending is taking a part of a word or a whole word.
Blending is taking a part of a word or a whole word
and putting it together with another part of a word or whole word.
and putting it together with another part of a word or a whole word.
Good Good job. All right. I'm going to show you a cool little trick. Put one hand up like this and the other hand up like this. And then we're going to put them together in the middle and clap. Just like that. Good job. So when I say the word snow, do it with me. When I say the word snow and ball and I clap, I get the word snowball. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're going to try a few more together. If I say the word fish, say fish.
Fish.
And bowl.
Bowl.
Good. If we clap our hands together and blend those two words, what word do we get?
Fishbowl.
Fishbowl. That's right. All right. Let's do one more with the clapping technique. Let's do fire.
Fire.
Man.
Man.
Fireman.
Fireman.
Good job. All right. Now, I'm going to show you this chart right here. This is called a slide chart. And what we're going to do, I have some crackers right here, and I'm going to show you how we're going to use this chart. When I say the word fire, I'm going to move one cracker down to this line on this dot. And then when I say the word man, I'm going to pull this one down as well. Now, when we combine fire and man, we're going to drag it towards the arrow and say
Fireman.
good job. All right. I'm going to show you one more. Let's do the word soccer. Can you say soccer?
Soccer.
And ball.
Ball.
Good. Now when I combine those two words and slide to the arrow, what do I get?
Soccer ball.
Good. And that's how you blend words. So now I'm going to let you try one. I'm going to give you the slide chart. There are your crackers. Don't touch your crackers until I tell you to. All right. So say the word foot and pull down one cracker to the dot.
Foot.
Good. Now say the word ball and pull another cracker down to the line.
Ball.
Good. Now, if you slide those down, what word do you get?
Football.
Good job. Football. All right. Let's try a few more words. Let's try the word space. Can you pull space down?
Space.
And ship. Can you pull ship down?
Ship.
Good job. Now, if you drag those to the right towards the arrow, what word do you get?
Spaceship.
Good job. All right, let's do a few more. If I say the word ball and you pull that down to the line, ball.
Ball.
Good. And park.
Park.
Good. If you slide those to the right, what do you get?
Ballpark.
Good job. One more. Let's do book. Can you say book?
Book.
Good. And shelf.
Shelf.
What word do you get when you slide to the right?
Bookshelf.
Good job. That's awesome, you guys. All right. Everyone did so good with blending their words. Now we're going to learn about substitution. Can you say substitution?
Substitution.
Good. Substitution just means to take one phoneme or sound and replace it with another phoneme or sound. Let's say that piece by piece. Substitution is when you take one phoneme or sound.
Substitution just means to take one phoneme or sound.
Good. And replace it with another phoneme or sound.
And replace it with another phoneme or sound.
Good job. All right, we're going to use our phone squares again. And I'm going to show you a cool little trick. If I say the word cat, I have 3 phone squares because there are how many sounds in the word cat?
3.
Good job. Now, if I was to change the last sound of cat, which is t, to the sound, I'm going to pull down the last phone square and I'm going to say t, and I'm going to change it to And if I change that t to the what word do I get?
Tan.
Can.
Can.
That's right, can. All right, let's try one more together. If I have the word ban and I change the b to r, which sound am I changing in ban if I'm changing the b to r?
The first one.
Good. All right. So I'm going to pull down the first sound, which is b, and I'm going to change that to r. So if I change the b to r in ban, what word do I have?
Ran.
Good job. That's right. All right. I think y'all are ready to try this by yourself. here are your foam squares. Now that you have your foam squares out, I want you to say the word sat.
Sat.
Good. Now, if we change the ah to I, which sound are we changing? The first, middle, or last?
Middle.
Good job. We're changing the middle sound. So I want you to pull down your middle square and say I.
I.
Good. Now, if I'm changing the ah to I in sat, what word do I get?
Sit.
Good job. All right, let's put it back up here. Good. Now, if we have the word car and we change the r to t, which sound am I changing? The last one? Good. Good job. Now, if I'm changing the r to t in car, what word do I get?
Rat.
Cat.
Cat.
Good job. All right, we're going to do a few more because you seem to be struggling just a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to practice. All right, so if I have the word cab and I change the b to r, pull down the b sound and change it to r. What word do I get if I change the b to r?
Car.
Good job. All right, now if we're going to put it back. Now, if I have the word rat and I change the ah to ah, which sound is it?
The middle.
Good job. And if we change the ah to ah in rat, we get the word
Rot.
good job. All right, let's do the word ball. If I change the b to h, which sound am I changing? The first, middle, or last?
First.
First. And when you pull down that first one, you say the sound.
Huh.
Good. All right, so if you change the first sound in ball to what word do you get?
Hall.
Good job. All right, let's do one more. If I have the word hit and I change the to b, which sound am I changing? If I have hit and I'm changing the to
The first one.
good. So when you pull that down, what do you say?
B.
Good. Now if I'm changing the to p in hit, what word do I have now?
Bit.
That is so good. Good job. You did great today.